Imagine your phone suddenly becomes slow. Apps take longer to open, the battery drains quickly, and storage is almost full. First you search, why is my phone slow? Then, how can I make my phone faster? Later you search, best phones under 500 pounds. And finally, best phone deals near me. Why did your searches change? Because your intention changed. This is called search intent. Search intent is the reason behind a person's search. It explains what someone is trying to achieve when they search on Google, YouTube, Amazon, TikTok, or an AI tool. They may want information, a comparison, a specific website, or a product to buy. There are 4 main types of search intent. The first is informational intent. This means the person wants to learn something. Examples include, what is SEO? Why is my laptop overheating? How can I learn Python? At this stage, blogs, guides, tutorials, FAQs, and YouTube videos work well. The second type is navigational intent. This means the person wants to reach a specific brand, website, or platform. Examples include Netflix login, Amazon returns, Nike running shoes. The customer already knows where they want to go and is using search as a shortcut. The third type is commercial investigation. This means the customer is comparing options before buying. Examples include best laptops for students, iPhone versus Samsung, best restaurants in Bradford. At this stage, reviews, comparisons, testimonials, case studies, and buying guides are important. The fourth type is transactional intent. This means the customer is ready to take action. Examples include buy Nike running shoes, book a dentist near me, order pizza online, start a free trial. At this stage, businesses need clear pricing, product pages, reviews, booking forms, simple checkout, and strong calls to action. The main lesson is that content must match the intent. Someone searching how to choose running shoes needs a useful guide. Someone searching best running shoes for beginners needs a comparison. Someone searching buy running shoes size 9 needs a product page. If the content does not match what the person wants, they will leave. Search intent also connects with the customer journey. At first, people search broad questions. Then they compare options. Later, they search for prices, reviews, offers, and locations. After buying, they may search for support, returns, or instructions. This means search intent is not only about SEO, it is about understanding what the customer needs at that exact moment. Many businesses make the mistake of creating content based only on keywords. But not all traffic has the same value. Someone searching funny marketing videos is very different from someone searching hire a marketing agency. A professional marketer does not only ask, what keyword should we target? They ask, what is the person trying to do? The simplest definition is this. Search intent is the reason behind a search, whether someone wants to learn, compare, find a specific brand, or take action. Understanding search intent helps businesses create the right content for the right customer at the right stage. The next topic is technical SEO, how website speed, mobile experience, structure, and indexing help search engines understand and rank websites.